Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of GMS Racing. On this episode, we're gonna just show you guys kind of what we got going on in the shop, give you a little bit of update on the Supra, kind of where that stands, and also another project that we got going in the shop right now. So we'll get straight to that. The Supra is on the lift right now. We're changing up a couple things in the dump tubes, and also we have a couple kits sold along with our sponsor kit that's gonna be going out. So we're test fitting everything to make sure our final steps to the kit is perfect and fits just right. So that's what the Supra is down for right now, and it's also getting some powder coated wheels. But so just talked about a little bit of the kit. It's gonna be out for full production. We're planning in about 3 weeks before it's on the website ready to go. We just signed up a dealer, Vision Tuning out of Connecticut, that's gonna be stocking and selling our kits. One of the kits will be going on his personal car, a personal shop car. Another kit will be going to California, and along with Gustavo, we'll be running our kit as well. So there'll be 3 kits along with ours out on the market, doing some testing and just making sure the kit runs and does what it's supposed to. We have done quite a bit of testing already on our car. We put some miles on it, dyno miles. We've tested it on the street, low boost, high boost, even with the factory wastegate, which we got rid of. Now we're with a dual wastegate setup, which we're liking a lot. The car is a lot more responsive. We're able to keep track of the boost and maintain the power level how we want it a lot better. So we're very, very happy with that. The intake manifold that we are designed is also moving along as well. We're looking at probably 2 months before that piece is out for production. We will be getting a test piece here any minute to put on the car and start running and start doing some testing on the cooling and how it holds together. As far as quality and development goes. So we'll bring you guys along for that. Well, as you guys know, the intake manifold will come with a port injection rail to add port injection. But meanwhile, what we're going to be doing is converting this to a port injection system. We'll be using a Boost Logic fuel rail and the reflex system to control the port injection. So that's the goal right now. Along with that, we are set up with Pure Drivetrain Solutions to bring you guys the transmissions for these cars. They're actually on our website now to buy, and we have a firm on the website as well, so you guys can check out and pay as you go, not straight out of pocket. So we'll be using them for our Supra stuff. We will be putting a transmission on this car. We're thinking end of April, so we can start doing some high boost testing. We're doing everything in increments to kind of the packages that we'll be bringing to you guys depending on your horsepower goals and levels you want to be at. So we will just show you guys all that into detail on what it takes, what bolt-ons that you need to buy from us to be able to make your Supra get the power that you want out of it. But that's kind of just an update on the Supra. We'll bring more to you guys, more dyno numbers, more things that we're working on. Jensen is going to be making some adjustments, so the kit is a nice fit and goes very smooth. So we're constantly working on that. The Supra will be here until then, and we are doing a titanium exhaust on the Gallardo. You guys seen the Gallardo in the video already before, getting some tuning, but it's back to get a full titanium exhaust system. Did you just slip?
It fucking flew out on the floor.
Jesus. We got a little coolant leak and took a spill. But so what we're gonna be doing is doing a full titanium exhaust, like pie cut, kind of like we did on the GT3. So stay tuned for that. We'll be doing some powder coating on the intercoolers and the charge pipes, which is already out right now. So this car is gonna be completely set up for Skylar. Skylar just actually picked up a Huracan, which we hope to see some of our titanium stuff on that car soon as well. In the meanwhile, we'll do some more Supra stuff, show you guys kind of what we got planned for the Gallardo, and go from there.
When you drop your phone inside the R8's engine bay, you can't find it. Dude, it's probably sitting at the bottom of the splash shield.
Can you hear it?
Yeah. I'm calling it right now on FaceTime.
I hear it close, but it's not. I don't see it.
We'll be right back. I'm gonna help out Robert find this phone here somewhere. It has to be here somewhere inside the engine bay. All right. Can Jensen get the phone?
I'm so scared it's gonna go further because I'm having to push on it to rotate.
Can Jensen fit inside of the back of my Audi R8?
You could fit one metric Yahoo in an R8.
His phone's in there.
Oh!
Oh, for real? Nice.
Oh my god, give me a fucking board.
Oh, Jetson!
Dude, you're so lucky that that wasn't worse than it was.
Oh, my fucking phone.
Kid's like, I'm not looking. I don't want to hear anything.
And,
I don't think we could have done it without the home, I'll be honest.
Honestly, dude, I don't think so either.
We got the R35 sitting pretty. She's still up for sale. If you guys know anybody, make sure you reach out. It's a full bolt-on car, has a lot of our parts on it, along with AMS parts and our tuning. The Audi R8 is here as well. We're doing a lot of changes to the car, redesigning some intercoolers, redesigning some lines, doing a bunch of aesthetic stuff to make it look good now that we know the kit works. So that kit will be out in production in the following months following the Supra as well. Jensen has already started making his pie cuts for the Gallardo exhaust. So he's the man. A lot of work, but it's gonna turn out sick when it's done. So make sure you guys, we'll put out a finished product on the next video on the car. So what we're planning is we're gonna do kind of the same setup that they has now, but full titanium blued pipe cuts. So we'll be cracking at that. The RX-7 is still here. We're waiting on powder. Everything is done. The turbo kit is done. As soon as it gets put on, we'll show you guys that as well. We have a couple cool things coming in the shop this week, but we'll keep you guys posted on everything that we have coming. We'll be putting out a lot of Supra stuff and a lot of Audi R8, Lamborghini, Huracan stuff. So keep an eye out for that. Also, some other exciting news is one of our new dealers that we have in Cincinnati. We'll be advertising him on our website along with our Instagram, so keep an eye out for that. But he does do a lot of exotic cars and things like that, so we'll make sure that you guys give him a like and a follow. Jensen just made some cuts in the pipe on his titaniums, all pipe cut stuff. It's a lot of work. He's cleaning up right now, so this is part of the process, guys. This is why our exhausts are so much money on our website, just because it takes a lot of time between cutting, designing, cleaning them up, polishing, so we can get a nice blue, and then welding them. You know, it's a lot of time. So
We're not making a lot of money. We're just building cool exhausts.
yeah, cool exhaust. Exactly. Yeah, exactly. But if you guys want one, you know where to go get them. So we're gonna keep the same design on this kit. We'll do an X pipe on it and come out the sides, redo the dump tube, and like I mentioned, we do have all the stuff to powder coat already, so we're going to be doing a fresh powder coat on this wheel. So we're excited to see how it looks. It's going to be sick. And this thing already sounds nasty alone, so titanium added is going to be so much better.
I'll be honest, that radius doesn't look right. No, it's pretty close.
It's pretty close.
Yeah.
That's your
right.
top angle just a little bit different. I think, like you said, dude, it doesn't have to be the same.
Yeah.
The goal here is to just make it,
Of course.
basically make it how we want it. And
Oh,
just use it
no,
as-
I'm right on.
and use it as use it as a reference.
I wanted to use the same X pipe size.
For sure.
No, I'm right on. There's no way I could be wrong. The computer doesn't fucking lie.
Ever.
Numbers don't lie.
Numbers don't lie. Hey, math doesn't lie.
Facts.
Ever.
Facts.
If you do the math right.
If you do it right.
Look, they can have you in the.
You're all
You're
chokes.
fucked. Yeah.
You're all chokes.
Arms, man. The arms don't fit. That's what I'm saying.
Ooh.
Imagine.
them tens.
Are they teens? I mean, no, not tens. I mean, teens.
Keep them clean.
Keep them clean, no?
Look at this though. Look at that.
Whatever.
Yeah, you can't even see them
I
through.
want to see that video.
Thinking?
Yeah, thinking.
Scratchy, 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 scratchy.
Plans for this summer?
Huh?
Plans for this summer?
Jet boats.
Jet boats?
We're going to be bringing you guys a little bit of jet boat stuff to this channel. We have the material that showed up for Jensen's jet boat, so...
Jensen's jet boat? Jensen?
Your home?
What about jet boat?
Putting a little bit of it in the vlog?
I think, okay, I decided we're gonna make it black. We're gonna powder coat it satin black. Then wrap it with some gray exclusive wraps. Wrap it in GMS.
That'll look dope. Shout out Exclusive Wraps.
Yeah, we do.
They PPF the Keenan's R8. Exclusive Wraps, you feel me?
I will end this weekend. If you guys want to help me out, I gotta go get the ski and the engine on Sunday.
We know.
See what the Bennett is. Let me just pull it up. The Shop GTR.
Damn, that looks hard, boys. Sheesh. Shushish.
Shushish.
Shushish, shushish, shushish.
Look at that. It is, huh? For the Salvies here, RX-7 for the Salvies.
Braxton is the man. Oh, I want to see that.
Shout out to Braxton, dude. Look at that.
That's sick. Elite powder coating.
Go ahead.
These guys are the best in southern Utah by a long shot.
Is there anything else? Is that it?
I think that's it, right?
That's it. Yeah, people.
Sheesh.
Alright guys, that wraps it up for this episode of GMS Racing. Make sure you like and subscribe. Check out our merch on our website. Get you guys some. And stay tuned for the next episode. Peace.